Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the input function in Python. So how do you use the input function in Python? First of all, what is even input? Input is whatever you are putting into the computer or telling a program to do, or probably you want to get. So input is mostly used when you want to get something from a user. For example, you want someone to type in his name or his address, or if you are writing an email, whatever you type inside that email is an input. There's a program that is taking that input or what to type in and then sending it to the other person. So if you want to use input in Python, all you just need to do is say input, and then obviously your input has to be a string. So let's not necessarily, but just keep it a string. Let's say input what is your name? Type of the name. What is your name? And close this. Now we need to save this into a variable so that we can be able to access it. If you don't know variables yet, I have a video where I've talked about variables and walk you through how to use variables. A link to that in the description below. So yeah, so let's say what can we name this input? Let's just say name. Let's save this as name. Say so now when you run this piece of code, line of code, it asks you down here in the console, what is your name? And then my name is David. Let me just type in David, and then yeah, so that is just it. To get Python to print the input, all you just need to do is say print name, or you can say welcome, print message. Let's give it a message to print and say welcome. Then concatenate the string here, welcome name, typo, welcome name. Yeah, so now let's clear this down here, clear, and let's run this again for the second time. So now it asks again, what is your name? So what is your name? And I say, I don't know, when you are running this program, you can use your own name. Yeah, you should use your name so you get more familiar there. My name is David John, and then I type David John, and then it says welcome David John. Now I made a mistake. I also have added a space here. So let's run this again. So I hope I don't screw it up this time. Let's just say John, and yeah, welcome John. So that is how to use the input. I drop new tutorials every day. If you found this video useful, drop a like, and yeah, you can subscribe if you like. I make new videos every single day on Python programming. My mission here is to teach a lot of people Python as much as I can and as well as I can. So these are one of the first few videos I'm making on YouTube. I don't have a camera yet, so I'm just recording my screen and teaching you how to write Python code, because Python is the language of the future. AI, machine learning, deep learning, self-driving cars, and stuff like that are all going to be built using Python. So I'm sure you too want to participate in building projects that contribute to the future of mankind. So for all of that and more, I'll see you in the next video. And yes, if you haven't subscribed, tap that subscribe button. Do not forget. Bye bye.